Saturday, and we've arrived back at Tyndrum. There's the reception area just over there, the woods area. There's the toilets and showers, and there's the West Island Way woods again. It's raining. It's going to rain all day, and unfortunately, I mean, it's very beautiful, isn't it? But unfortunately, we're a little bit further away, so it's a wet walk to the toilets today and tonight. But you can see this is the side of the campsite that we never saw. A lot of pod cities around here, and obviously we didn't even see this side last time. But more pods. Maybe we should have got a pod. And then Riverview and Harris. More pods, muck, egg and rum. Little park for the kids. There's this view down there. There's the river. River views. Camping field. And we're over here. Just to the top of the van. Beep beep. But you know, good individual spots here. Better in summer. That's up here. Lovely, lovely.
Down very quickly there by Ammon, and
Saturday afternoon, watching the football.
They've got it in the middle of the park, and
Wet Saturday.
Their main striker, in fact, is he's just strolling towards the box at the moment. Oldham have it on the far side. You imagine Norwood would be busting a gut to get in there, but they still have it, Oldham.
Interesting, American Pale Ale, Loch Lomond Brewery, Southern Summit. At the food, the real food cafe next door to the site. Just at the back of the campsite. You can see probably, well, I'd like to see it in the sunshine. We've only seen it in the rain, so it's raining again today. And we're just having a little walk down the West Island Way, which is just at the back. So we haven't covered the camp at all. We just stayed here for 2 nights. Mal! Oh, precision. Mal, come here. There's some water. Oh. Molly wants to get back in the van now because we're going to go. And we're supposed to check out in about 3 minutes, which we're all packed away anyway. And then we're going to be on our way. It's a nice place. Probably more showers, though, if it's really busy.